Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how you can review and restore older versions of your designs. So someone actually requested for this template I used in my last tutorial. And obviously I cannot undo all the things I did with this tutorial. So I need to restore the older version so I can send the template link to the person. The person made a request on YouTube, so I need to restore the older version because I can no longer undo or redo all that I have done on this template. So now I need to restore the older version of this template so I can send the link to the person. So how do I do this? Canva has a way to, save up about 15 previous versions of your design. So you can actually restore up to 15 different the 15 previous versions of your design. So in Canva, for you to do this, what you need to do is just to open the design that you want to review, go to your file, click on the file, and then you will see version history. Version history is where you can see about 15 previous versions of that design, and then you click on restore this version. Select the version you want to restore and click on restore this version. And that's it. So let's quickly demonstrate this using this template. So what do we do? I'll go to file, scroll down to find version history, click on version history. Here you can see all the versions. I have about, this is the current version. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I haven't done so much on this template. So let's go to the very first. That's the last version on this row on the 13th of November. Let's see. This should be the version without any addition. This template was actually created by the Canva team for our community lab. So we used it to demonstrate some of the additional features Canva released in October. So I think this is a version that I could send the template link to the person who requested. The person made a request on my YouTube channel. So this is it. So if you want to restore a previous version of your design, you can actually do this. So as I've shown you, you can't do this. You can't undo a design because I haven't worked on this. The last time I worked on this design was on the 23rd of November. That's about 2 days ago. So clearly I can no longer undo. So how do I restore? Simply go to File, click on Version History, and then click on the version you want to restore. Open it. Once you click on the version, it will open up here, and then here you have the option to restore. Right? So you can actually restore this version or make a copy. So if you don't want to restore the version, you can actually make a copy of the version. So, but I want to restore the version. Now, the idea is that if you don't want to, change restore the previous version on your current version, because I have already a current version here. Now, if I restore this version, it will override the current version. So, and if I make a copy, I will still retain the current version and then have a new copy of the previous design before I did any editing or any work on the template. So you can either restore this design or make a copy. So, but what I want to do is to restore this design. I'll click on restore this design. And now I have a clean template that I can actually send the link for the person to practice with. So this is how to restore your previous design. If you're using a mobile phone, if you're using Canva app on a mobile, it is also the same process. Just open the design, go to the three icon on the top of your design, the design interface, tap on it, and then you see a version control. Just tap on the version control and then still follow the same process. So it is a very simple process. I bet not so many persons know that you can actually restore a previous design. So this is how to do it in Canva. I hope you keep using this to restore, review, and restore your older designs, right? So this is how to work on it. This is how to use the Canva's version control feature. So go ahead and keep creating magic in Canva until I see you in my next tutorial.